kabayan! Ngayon po, mag-share naman ako ng another simple dish. And I call this one is crispy, spicy, stir-fried cabbage. So these are our ingredients. I have pepper and salt, chicken powder, I have fried pork, I have some garlic, oyster sauce, I have light soya sauce, I have some chili, I have some ginger, oil, and I have our cabbage. The cabbage, I soak it in a salty water to help the residue or to less those chemicals that they put it in, you know, some just a fertilizer. But usually they use fertilizer when we are growing up those vegetables. So it helps if we use salty water to soak a little bit for a few minutes our vegetables in a salty water to less those chemicals that they put it in. Yeah, that's our tip for today. So guys, let's start cooking. Yeah guys, so we start to put some oil. This is really a very simple recipe. Put our oil and put our garlic, ginger, our fried pork, chili, okay, then we can put our vegetables. So easy this one, guys. Then we put now our chicken powder, pepper, salt, and the light soy sauce. So we don't need to overcook the vegetables, guys. So it's really, you feel the crispy and a little bit spicy on it, and a little bit sweet because of the mix of the oyster sauce. See. So actually we don't need to have put water because vegetables have their own natural water. So it will always come out when you're cooking it. So this is it. It's so simple as this. So cooking vegetables is usually like a minute, you know. And that's the reason why I advise to put soak it in a salty water. Yeah, because we cook it a little bit crispy. So it's done. As I said, we don't need to cook it that long. Kain na tayo, kabayan!